The two most important connectors that you use in the laboratory in connecting instrumentation to protoboards or to connect instrumentation to other instrumentation are the banana connectors and the BNC or coaxial cable connector. The major difference is the coaxial cable has the conductor in the center of the cable with a shield around the outside, and therefore is less vulnerable to interference from the environment. The double banana connectors, however, are two leads, and you can see we can create a loop here that can pick up interferences. The banana connector is very convenient because we can insert a alligator clip to the banana connector, and this conveniently then allows us to connect to another element in the circuit to make a measurement. The oscilloscope does not have two banana connector inputs. It has BNC inputs, and this requires the use either of a BNC cable, as indicated there, or a BNC to double banana converter, which allows us to convert from the BNC to the double banana. When using BNC connectors, often we have short cables and long cables. We want to make multiple connections. We can use a T to tee into additional BNC connectors, or we can lengthen a BNC cable with an additional cable